How to find someone on Fiverr. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can find someone on Fiverr. First of all, open your Fiverr application on your device, and once you reach to this page, here click on that search icon at the top of the screen. Once you click on it, you will find the search box. Here enter the phone number that you are looking for. Once you enter the numbers on this search box, you will find the suggestions below. Fiverr will show you any matches found for the phone number you enter. If the person is on Fiverr and has their number visible to others, you will see their profile in the search results. For that, make sure you have saved the phone number in your contact list. Also keep in mind that not everyone may have their phone number or profile visible to others on Fiverr due to privacy settings. If the person you are looking for is not on the Fiverr, you may have the option to invite them or join. This will send them an invitation to download and join Fiverr. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.